don't mean to brag, but I have a magic toilet. I've always wanted to put myself in credit card debt by buying a toilet that had a seat that would warm up, as well as a bidet function. It even has a function that rinses the vajayjay. My friend Redley was visiting last night and I was explaining to her the magic of my magic toilet, how it can just find the right spot to hit immediately when I hit the bidet function. So then she asked, what happens if you hit the vagina function? I don't know. What happens when I hit the vagina function? I sent Redley and my fiance a text. I'm gonna go.